We've been looking at the Scanpay Go app, but we downloaded it, remember, from Play Store or App Store. And now we would like to see how we can change the setting so it works against our VM. Here in the app, you will see the settings. Here you can see, if we go forward, this is connected to the mobile demo server we have at LS Retail. This is what we want to change to connect with our VM. But there is one more thing. Remember, with the mobile inventory connects with LS Central via the commerce service. And the same goes for the Scanpay Go app. So we need to have the correct version, not the latest version you were downloading. So we need to delete the app and install the correct version that works with our VM. So let's start by uninstalling the app. And then in your course material, you should find the barcode to install the correct version that works with this VM. So I need to install the app. So I'm opening my camera and you find the QR code in the course material. Scan the QR code and continue to install. And you download. When it tells you, you open the file and you install. And let's open it. And since we were installing it again, we need to answer these questions. Here we are again. Let's look into more settings. Now you see that you will have the version 2023.3. That is the version of the app that works with the commerce service that is in your VM, the same version number. So now we need to do the same thing as we did in mobile inventory. We need to change the connection string. So what we need to do is we need to delete this part here, the mobile demo.lsretail.com. So in here we need to put in the IP number of the VM. Remember, the same number as you put in mobile inventory and the other apps. So here we are. Shall we ping? And if everything is okay, we get the same pong OK. Remember, it's successfully connecting to 3 different things. If one of these things doesn't work, we will not get the pong OK. So then press OK. Are we happy? We can go back. And now you're connecting with the VM in your computer. So that next thing to do is to play around, do the exercise, and get more practice learning and using Scanpay Go.